atomic weight. What do you mean by atomic weight? So atomic weight is nothing but the standard weight or the mass of an element. So it's nothing but a count of atoms in the element. What is the atomic number? Atomic number is nothing but number of protons. Alright? Number of protons. Yes or no? Number of protons. Okay, number of protons is equal to number of atoms. For example, hydrogen is there. Atomic number of hydrogen is what? 1. That means it consists of one atom. Understood or not? Carbon. Carbon. Symbol of carbon is C. The atomic number is 6. That means 6 atoms. The carbon consists of 6 atoms. So how to calculate the mass? How to calculate the atomic weight of that particular element? How to calculate the atomic weight of the element? Okay, for example, previously, so whenever we learn the new concept, we need to go from the basics and the foundation of that concept. So atomic weight is nothing but. So first of all, when the elements were found, before that they has taken the standard weights. Even now, when we go for the grocery shop, we can see that all digital weighing machines. Yes, now we can see all the digital weighing machines easily. Then we are billing. If we go to the supermarket, we can easily find the digital weighing machines. Yes, children. But previously, if you have observed or not, previously when we see the weights, even in the laboratory, even that we also have uploaded it. Okay, even in the laboratory also we have seen the analytical balance with two pans. Have you know it? 2 pans. Okay, so in one pan we'll take the standard weight. In the other pan we'll take the items or the material equal to the standard weight. And right? If you want to go to the supermarket, we can say not the supermarket, normal grocery shop. So they'll use even the pans, 2 pans. On the right side pan, they'll place the standard weights and they'll add the material. Understood? Whatever you want. If you want to take 1 kg of tomato, so what you'll take, he'll take the standard weight of it like 1 kg stone. Okay, or with the metallic weight he'll keep, and he'll add the
1 kg tomatoes.
1 kg of tomatoes. But what will go blindly with the mass of the standard weight? Yes or no? And we are not much accurate about it. At the same way, previously to calculate the atomic weight of all the atoms, they used to take the standard weight like carbon with isotope 12. Like its normal element atomic mass of carbon is 12. So whatever they want to calculate the atomic weights of that element, they take the standard weight is like carbon 12. Understood? Carbon 12. Okay, they have taken oxygen, for example, less element, like a smaller than, not like huge element. We are not talking about huge elements. Why? Because previously more elements were not found. We are talking about only the basic elements and below 20. Understood? Below 20 only we are talking about. Okay, so when the carbon is present, like C12, and we take the carbon, below the carbon element, for example, small element like below carbon is 6, no? So less than that atomic number element, if we have taken it, weight. Okay, so when they weigh with the carbon with the other element which is having less atomic weight, so what they said? The exact mass has given to that element, unknown element. Carbon is known element. Unknown element is any other element. Okay, so when they have taken the standard element like carbon, so when they take the mass, so if it is more mass about the carbon, so the element is more than the standard mass. If the element is showing that less atomic weight, it shows less than that of standard mass of carbon-12. Understood, children? Not exact mass or exact atomic weights were given at that time. They have taken the standard mass like carbon-12. So when they want to compare the element which is having, if the element is smaller than the carbon atomic weight, then what the conclusion they used to give? The mass of so and so element is less than that of carbon-12. If the mass of so and so element is heavier than carbon-12. Understood, children? Approximate weights. If you see the digital balance nowadays, if you see the digital balance will give the accurate value after the 0.4 value is also accurate. But previously, if you have taken two pans, approximately they'll see the measurement if both the pans are equal. If both the pans are equal, then he said that it is exactly to that of the standard mass. If it is below or heavier, okay, if it is lighter or heavier, then he says that it is more than the standard mass or it is less than that of the standard mass. Atomic weight and atomic mass. At present, we are talking about atomic mass. Previously, atomic weight. Atomic weight. When we conclude atomic weight, we need to take the standard like C12. No scientists found about the protons, subatomic particles, atom, elements. At that time, they have taken the few elements only up to their knowledge. At that time, up to their knowledge, they have given us. That ideas were built up and that ideas were developed by upcoming scientists.